how to find passwords on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved passwords on an iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is swipe from right to left on our home screen till we get to the app library, select the search, and just type passwords. You should see the passwords app come up, select that. You may need to enter your PIN or use Face ID to open it. But once you get into passwords, select all and you'll see a list of all the passwords that have been saved to your iPhone. You can also search passwords right here, and this will bring up specific passwords. Once you find a password that you want to see, select the account, and then all you need to do to view the password is simply select the dots right there, and then it will reveal it to you, and you'll be able to see that password. Now, if you didn't find the password you were looking for in the Passwords app, but you also have the Google Chrome browser, there's a chance you may have saved it in Google Chrome's password manager if you use Google a lot. So open up the Google Chrome browser, and in the browser here, we just want to select the three dots in the bottom right, and then in this top menu here, scroll over and select Password Manager, enter your PIN or go ahead and unlock the app. And in here, you'll see a list of all your saved passwords, and you can also search at the top. So that's how you find passwords on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.